Hi guys, welcome back to the island. The weather's changed again. It's scorching, really hot. Thank you for all your hard work last week. Some incredible work, and your code cracking was on point. It lies in the waters, led us to scanning all the water beds around here to see what we could find, and boy did we find something inexplicable. So your maths, first of all, we'll talk about that. Year one, you're looking at counting to 100 before moving on to money and recognizing coins and notes. Year two, we're looking at measurement, measuring in grams and kilograms and the difference between the two. Year three, looking at drawing lines and shapes accurately. Year four, looking at comparisons and sums in differences when you are interpreting charts and handling data, very important to scientists. Year 5, measuring angles up to 180 degrees and beyond. And year 6, looking at the language of ratio. Right, we've been led close to the water's edge and we've noticed these pockets, these glowing pockets, look like almost like precious stones underneath the surface of the water. So we're going to try and retrieve some and see what we can find. Come on, let's take a look. Right, I've got to be really careful now. Who knows what we'll find in the water. But down there we have what appears to be a glowing patch, so let me reach it. Right, as you can see, these strange materials, they look a little bit like precious stones, but they're all slimy and smooth. So we need to get these back to the lab, try and analyse what they are. Right, now this week, stories are so important. Right now, what I'm telling to you is a story of my adventures on the island, and it's a real skill to be able to tell somebody a story. Now, you're going to tell a story this week about how you find these mysterious objects in the waters of the island, and as a scientist, how that makes you feel. I want you to think very carefully about the setting around you, how you can describe the weather, how you can describe the surroundings, to really engage the reader and to keep that story going by describing as the action takes place. Good luck guys, I know you can do it. I'll see you next week.